Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today it is very cold and snowy outside, but also sunny, as you can see. It looks very nice. I love snow weather. I will show you a solution or some solutions that I found for technical problem. Watch the video, and if it helps you, I would appreciate your support. For watching the video. Did the solution help you? If it did, I would appreciate your support by subscribing to my channel. Thank you again. See you later. Bye.